What up, you guys? We're back at it with another one of Precision Fishing, Southern India. The weather's been kind of cold here lately. We got hit with a nasty winter mix. Got in the low teens, got lots of snow, so we're gonna head down to the creek and try and get after it and see if we can put something together for you guys. It's 29 degrees outside, so it's a little cold, but it's not too bad. We have no winds though, so stick with us, stay tuned.
Anymore, you mess around and fucking flip this motherfucker.
Well, guys, beautiful day with the boy Midwest.
Yo,
Look at him. We're in here looking at a boat I'm possibly interested in buying. It's a 14
and 1 inch.
and 1 inch.
Hey, that 1 inch counts.
So we got her all set up today. I brought my trolling motor. And yeah, we're gonna see what she can do. Caleb with us today.
And you got a fish finder.
Fish finder. We ready. And the big boy net. Look at that net. Catch a shark with that net. So, stick with us. Stay tuned. Midwest Scarfish. First cast. On the boat. We're on board, guys.
Oh, he's digging now. Oh shit. No,
Caleb's getting the net out.
Hybrid.
Oh, damn. Damn.
Dude, you hooked it in the mouth.
Yeah.
A carp in the mouth. Damn. Damn. Look at that.
Got it exactly in the mouth.
Take a picture of that.
Damn. Oh, damn.
Dude, you got it in the mouth.
Are the poles all right?
Right there.
Yeah, hey, record that. Keep
I got it on camera. Damn, that's a big. Hang on, let me grab this real quick. Oh.
Yep, you got it hooked in the mouth.
Damn, I can't believe you hooked a carp in the mouth, bro. That's a giant.
That's a giant.
Right here on the side of the mouth. Take a picture of that.
Yeah.